Hi there, I'm Dr. Hannah Epstein from the University of Essex, and I'm excited to share a bit about our project with collaborators from Lancaster University, UC Santa Barbara, and the Tetiaroa Society. So seabirds nesting on tropical islands provide important nutrients to their nearshore habitat through their guano, aka their poop. So our Pure Ocean project aims to measure the benefits of this seabird poop for coral reef habitats using stakes that encourage seabirds to roost in these areas. This is a tool that's been used previously for restoration of seagrass beds, but has yet to be trialed on coral reefs. Our hope is that this research will help discover a scalable and nature-based restoration tool that can help promote coral reef health, resilience, and biodiversity.